everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you a plastic whip combo kind of trick. And if I like mess up and stuff, which I will, it's because it's like 90 degrees out and extremely humid. This is what the trick looks like. And that was it. A few tricks that you'll need to know for this is plastic whip, poppin' fresh, boingy boing is optional, but most people don't know that. And so first thing, you want to start out in a plastic whip. And then you see the loop that's coming right here. Right here. You're gonna from your thumb and pull it back and trapeze it onto the yo-yo so it's in a like kinda like reverse kind of poppin' fresh mount. So the first thing you want to do is go here, and then you want to just bring the string around back like that. And then from there you do one poppin' fresh. It's kind of weird, you have to get used to it because you're doing it with your thumb instead of your pointer finger. So you go plastic whip, boing, poppin' fresh right there. And then from here you do a reverse ripcord where you go double onto that front string. So you're just basically just doing that and then dropping it into a reverse trapeze. From here, you're gonna do a roll, kind of like wave rider kind of thing. And then you're gonna take this string right here that's connected that you're wave riding with and just open it wide up and then take it and do a rock the baby in the brain twister, but then you're just gonna stick it through. You're gonna stick the rock the baby through here, and when you do that, you're just gonna keep it through, put it through, and then you can just drop everything like this so it's in kind of a weird knot kind of out, and then you just move your hand under the yo-yo into a green triangle, and then you can move it up and pop to the left to dismount. So again, do a few wave riders, go through like that. There you go. You drop. The last part is probably the most tricky part to learn because you have to stick your hand through, and then you have all this extra string right here on your hands. You can just drop that off, and then everything's fine. Have all that extra string right there. You can just take it and drop it right off your hand so there's none left. Thank you all for watching the video, and see you in the next one.